Hi all and welcome. This is Song Lyrics dramatic reading of the song Seven Rings by Ariana Grande. As you can see, I discovered that my mic on the headphones is working, so I decided to use that so you can hear me better. So, let us begin. Yeah, breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles, girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines, buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a sad bitch. Who would have thought I'd turn me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and knot strings, write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah. My wrist stop watching, my neck is flossy, make big deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair? Gee thanks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my hair? Gee thanks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Wearing a ring, but ain't got be no misses. Bought matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think retail therapy, my new addiction. Whoever said money can't solve your problems must not have enough money to solve them. They say which one? I say nah, I want all of them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. My smile is beaming, my skin is gleaming. The way it shine, I know you've seen it. I bought a crib just for the closet. Both his and hers, I wanted, I got it. Yeah. I wanted, I got it. 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 You like my hair? Gee thanks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, my receipts be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't money, then wrong number. Black card is my business card. The way it be set in the tone for me, I don't mean to brag, but I be like, put it in the bag. Yeah. When you see them racks, they stacked up like my ass. Should go from the store to the booth, make it all back in the loop. Gimme the loot. Never mind, I got a juice. Nothing but net when we shoot. Look at my neck, look at my jet. Ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. Thank you all for watching, I hope you like it, and I will see you in another video. See ya.